PMP exam has three domains: people, process, and business environment. Today we will discuss process domain. Process domain is simply technical part of project management. Process domain covers project execution, communication, risks, issues, and change management. Budget, resources, schedule, quality, scope, procurement, artifact, methodology planning, and management is also a part of process domain. Process domain also describes project governance structure establishment, knowledge transfer for project continuity, and project phases closeout. Process domain is main part and covers 50% of PMP exam. Process domain has 17 tasks and 61 enablers. Now we will discuss 17 tasks of process domain. Task 1: execute project with the urgency required to deliver business value. The task execute project with the urgency required to deliver business value, assesses opportunities to deliver value incrementally, and examine the business value throughout the project. It supports the team to subdivide project tasks as necessary to find the minimum viable product. Task 2: manage communication. Manage communication tasks analyze communication needs for all stakeholders. It determines communication methods, channels, frequency, and level of detail for all stakeholders. It focuses to communicate project information and update effectively. It confirms communication is understood and feedback is received. Task 3: assesses and manage risk. The task assesses and manages risks, determines risk management options, iteratively assesses and prioritizes risks. Task 4: engage stakeholders. Engage stakeholders task analyze stakeholders like power, interest, grid, influence, and impact. It categorizes stakeholders, engage stakeholders by category, develop, execute, and validate a strategy for stakeholders management. Task 5: plan and manage budget and resources. The tasks plan and manage budget and resources, estimate budgetary needs based on the scope of project and lesson learned from past projects. It anticipates future budget challenges, monitor budget variations, and work with governance process to adjust as necessary. It describes plan and manage resources. Task 6: plan and manage schedule. Plan and manage schedule tasks, estimate project tasks like milestones, dependencies, and story points. It utilizes benchmark and history data, prepares schedule based on methodology, measure ongoing progress based on methodology. It modifies schedule as needed based on methodology and coordinate with other project and other operations. Task 7: plan and manage quality of products deliverables. Plan and manage quality of products task, determine quality standards required for project deliverables. It describes recommended options for improvement based on quality gaps and continually survey project deliverable quality. Task 8: plan and manage scope. The task plan and manage scope, determine and prioritize requirements like breakdown scope, backlog, etc. It also monitor and validate scope. Task 9. Integrate project planning activities. Integrate project planning activities task, consolidate the project phases plans, assesses consolidated project plans for dependencies, gaps, and continued business value. It collects and analyzes the collect to make informed project decisions and determine critical information requirements. Task 10. Manage project changes. The task manage project changes, anticipate and embrace the need for change, like follow change management practices. It determines strategy to handle change, execute change management strategy according to the methodology, and a change response to move the project forward. Task 11. Plan and manage procurement. Plan and manage procurement task defines resource requirements and needs for a project procurement and communicate for resource requirements. It manages suppliers, subcontractors, plan and manage procurement strategy and develops a delivery solution. Task 12. Manage project artifacts. The task manage project artifacts, determine the requirements, what, when, where, who, etc. For managing the project artifacts, it validates that the project information is kept up to date, like version control and accessible to all stakeholders. It describes continually assesses to the effectiveness of the management of project artifacts. Task 13. Determine appropriate project methodology, methods, and practices. This task assesses project needs, complexity, and magnitude. It recommends project execution strategy, for example, contracting, finance, etc. Project methodology approach like predictive, agile, hybrid. It uses iterative incremental practice throughout the project life cycle like lesson learned, stakeholder management, risk, etc. Task 14. Establish project governance structure. The task establish project governance structure determines appropriate governance for a project like replicate organizational governance. It also defines escalation paths and thresholds. Task 15. Manage project issues. Manage project issues task recognize when a risk become an issue. It attacks the issue with the optimal action to achieve project success and collaborate with relevant stakeholders on the approach to resolve the issues. Task 16. Ensure knowledge transfer for project continuity. The task ensure knowledge transfer for project continuity, discuss project responsibilities within team. It outlines expectations for working environment and confirm approach for knowledge transfer. Task 17. Plan and manage project phase closure or transition. Plan and manage project and phase closure or transition task determines criteria to successfully close the project or phase. It validates readiness for transition, for example, to operations team or next phase, and concludes activities to close out project or phase. Final lessons learned, retrospective, procurement, financials, resources, etc.